everyone, I'm Mona. I love animals and I'm so happy you're here. I see one big black and white cow. One animal. A cow. Moo! Now I see a fluffy white chicken. Two animals. A cow and a chicken. Cluck, cluck. Look! Here comes a colorful roux with a bright red comb. Three animals. A cow, a chicken, and a Oh, look! A cute little brown rabbit is hopping across the grass. Four animals. A cow, a chicken, a rooster, and a rabbit. Hop, hop! Look over there. A soft gray cat is quietly walking around the farm. Five animals. A cow, a chicken, a rooster, a rabbit. Wow! What a beautiful horse! That makes 6 animals! Neigh! A little white duck is waddling to the pond. 7 animals! Quack, quack! Look at this fluffy white sheep. It's so soft. 8 animals! Bah! What a silly little goat. That makes 9 animals. Bah! Look at those long ears. This donkey is so gentle. 10 animals. Hee-haw! That was great! We found 10 animals. Cow, chicken, rooster, rabbit, cat, horse, and donkey. See you next time. Bye!